Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the uploads post issue in Amazon Photos. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're encountering the uploads post message in Amazon Photos on your device, here's how you can address it. First, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Amazon Photos requires a consistent connection to upload photos and videos. If you're on mobile data, check that the app is permitted to use it. Next, verify that your Amazon Photos app is up to date. An outdated app can lead to unexpected issues. Visit the Google Play Store and check for any available updates for Amazon Photos. Then check your storage limits. Amazon Prime members have unlimited photo storage, but video storage is limited to 5 GB, unless you have purchased additional space. If you have exceeded this limit, it can cause uploads to pause. Consider deleting some videos or upgrading your storage plan. After that, try restarting the app, close Amazon Photos completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. If the issue persists, sign out of your Amazon Photos account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and clear any underlying issues. Finally, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Amazon Photos app. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings causing the problems. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.